Hello friends, my name is Shubham Singh. Again, welcome you in the Mark Mac channels. Today I just make a special video for existing product developments. In my earlier videos, I am just talking about many times that what is the existing product development. But in this particular video, I just make a PPTs and I just try to get shown you that what is the existing product development, how it will be the used, or if you are just applied in your organizations in your industry. So how it will be impacted in your business. So existing product developments is a very important concept. In existing product development is the process of innovations where product service are redesigned. As I'm citing you that any kind of the product, there are the three kind of the stages: introductory, maturity, and the decline. So this existing product development is be useful in the declining stage where you have to be the redesign your product or innovate new products. So it's a very important concept. If you are have that kind of the things, so I think that you are have easily redesign your products. If you innovate something in your declining stage products, so I think that you accomplish is in on the different manner in the markets, and you are got impeccable profit compared to your competitive product. So this is the existing product development introduction of it. And the second is product developments. Okay, so new product and or the existing products. So these are the things that if you are have to be the innovator new products, and if you are have if your product is in the declining stage, so what kind of thing that you have to be do to rebuild your products. So you have to be do a creations, innovations, continuous improvement, enhancing utilities. These are the things that you should do. Then food manufacturing, if we are just talking about the food manufacturing, so these are the topics, these are the things like agriculture, manufacturing, agreements, food processing, marketing, wholesale, food service, grocery, farmers, regulation. All these things play a very important roles before launching any kind of, especially if I'm just talking about the FMCG centers. So this is the food industries, that how the food will be the came from the agriculture, then manufacture, then processing, marketing, wholesale, food service. This all are the process that you are easily find. And in the new product developments, you can say that we are just redevelop our products in the part of food processing, you can say. So this is I'm just take this slides on a behalf of FMCG. And this is the useful that how the product is to be the manufacturer. Okay, now this is the food safety program, that how the things will be going on. Means it's a very important that we should know each and everything in the safety concerns also. So in the identification of potential hazards may occurs in all food handling protections, where the you are very shocked that it's a very important that we should have to be the audit each and everything in the concerns of the food. As you know very well that we are have that kind of the consultancies where we are just try to evaluate and contemplate each and everything about the foods. We are just hazardous, we are just try to pick and find out what kind of hazardous material in the foods. We are just monitored out, or with the all aspects we are just help out with the help of legal aspects, also with the help of different parameters. These are the parameters which we are work. And this is the caffeine free solution. So as you know, if you are is in the FMCG, or of the persons do not know, or who are not is in the FMCG sector, so caffeine is the it is not good. Actually it's not good for the health. And you are very shocked that mostly of the food manufacturing company were used a caffeine in their products, especially if I'm just talking about the coffee and the tea products. So it's a very important that you should be know about that what is the caffeine free solutions and how it will be the work. So we are also be work on it, that what is the things that we should be do and how we have to be make that kind of the products which is caffeine free. Then retail and packaging design is also be the part of our you can say it is also be the part, because you know very well that it is also be the very matters that what kind of packaging is to be theirs. So all these things, private labeling and designs, reduced competitions, nutrition label science, all this is the part of the products, that how you have to be manufacture your products, design, allergen management, food system certifications. All this certification is also play a very important crucial roles. I'm telling you that without certifications you are not able to permit to sell any kind of the products. So this certification is very important. And packaging compliance is different type of packaging compliance is also be there. You should also be follow each and every compliance. Okay, then food standard compliance, organic solutions. You know very well that whatever the packaging nowadays is to be happen. I make a one video of HP packaging. So what kind of packaging they are used. So as a government's point of view, as in their portfolio, it is also be the one of the guidelines that you should zero waste packaging. So we are also be work on it. Then food quality and compliances, industrial implementation. So these are the PPTs I just make, that how you have to be. I just make concerns about the FMCG sector in this PPT, and I just try to be get articulate, or try to be get explain that how the things will be going on. And we are have that kind of the things, we are have that kind of the peoples who are just we are have that kind of the organizations which we are just concerns about each and everything. And especially as in the FMCG sectors, we are just make you is in on the different is in the markets. So again, very thanks to watch this video, guys. Thanks.